What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Packy, and today we have challenger Ryan Barnes from the YouTube channel Barnesy, and we're doing a 10-ball challenge where we're going to throw one ball every frame so you can take this thing home. 250 minimum. That's my prediction. Good luck.
Good luck. Let's start with a little ice.
I only brought 10 balls and I had one, so Ryan's giving me the benefit of the doubt.
Do the right thing. Oh, God. That thing curves.
That thing does curve. Is it the ball or the lane, though? I don't know. Or the ball, or probably all of them. Get one.
Oh
yeah,
my
baby.
goodness. Not a good start.
Want to see a good start? I'll also throw plastic. Brand new. Deviate visible. I think this is my chance to ask for some fan help. Brunswick said I could make my own spare ball. If I was to make my own spare ball, what should it look like?
Shaggy from
Just stand on
Scooby-Doo.
10. Aye! I'm also going to throw the spare ball on the second shot.
That much different than your hits with purple hammer.
It felt about the same as, I don't know, the last 13 games of the World Series. Throw a good shot, 7-pin. Pick it up, move on to the next frame. And now, we move on to the next frame.
The Wolverine Moss action.
Wolverine Moss, is this your league ball?
This is not my league ball. I never throw this in league.
Excuse me, sir.
Mic drop.
Literally the mic drop. There is a little strategy. Throw the two outliers, the plastic ball and then the purple hammer, and then probably throw the balls that I think are going to strike the most right away to try and catch up to Ryan.
Yes.
Apparently it's going to hook that much. The purple hammer on the house shot I would not say is Old Faithful. Oh my God. Tried to like hook it off the gutter and it just went straight in.
I'm going to start balls I don't throw that much first. Yeah, get them out of the way early. Little reality check.
Ryan's throwing the ones that he has no idea what they're going to do first.
Probably throwing 10 shots.
I'm doing the opposite. And
Well, I'm just missing it, throwing it 100 at 17, so.
is that the key? Oh my God, that is 100. There's life. There's still life.
I hate that. Oh God. Safe. Doesn't know which one to pick.
I don't know which one to pick.
He's never thrown a reactive ball in his life.
Reactive is not my friend. I'm just going to pick the ones that I kind of know. I haven't thrown these in so long. It's been a while.
Make sure to wipe the dust off. Crunch.
I'm trying to go with your strategy, but mine's at 18. Yours is at 21 miles an hour. So there's just different levels. My version of hard is not the same as his, okay? I get it. That was my league ball for a while. So now it's time to choose all the other balls that I use in league to try and like stack the strikes together. And then the 10th frame will come around and I'll be throwing a ball that I've never thrown before.
There you go. What you got, Ryan?
X1. Try not to flat 10.
Flat 10, please.
Snap it out of there.
He's also probably going to throw like an IQ Ruby or like a high road, and he's going to be standing in the same spot. Then again, so am I. So, knockout bruiser.
How does that not 6-pin?
18.1.
Just the old face too.
This is the difference. Ryan's got a bunch of balls with surface, and mine are all shiny.
Still standing on 26. Hook a mile.
Just
Both
no.
walk, yes.
Troublemaker. I know this ball. It should hit the pocket. Please. Well, it hit the pocket. Sometimes you just wrap a 7, but you know it's flat, you know? Like that wrapped around it, but the 9-pin was almost there too, so. Shot enough of those, you know, ready to stop shooting them. I need Ryan to split, but I know he's not gonna miss the pocket, so.
Trust the old reality.
This just feels like 7-10 territory. Oh my God, is he the luckiest man alive?
I get all the hits.
I don't disagree. Someone in your family had to get all the hits, right?
Oh, it was Linda.
I'm throwing a different troublemaker. This is the one I just threw. This is the one we'll throw now. A little taller pin, should hook a little more. So it should strike from the exact same spot. helps when you make a better shot too, but we won't talk about that. It's the ball. It's always the ball. Good or bad, it's the ball.
It's got a trend too. It's got the house light on it. I'm actually gonna move a little right.
The thing is, he shot 300 with all of these. Good news for me is I don't know what the rest of these are gonna do. These are the shiny ones that I don't throw. Melee jab, carbon, I guess. I've had some success with the jab. I just haven't thrown it recently at all. Cut the clip. Where is it? Where's the replay? Ding! Now I understand why I used to get so many messengers and I don't anymore.
Shiny stuff.
The shiny stuff always gets too far behind the head pin and always creates a bunch of messengers. Isn't that right, Ryan?
I don't throw shiny balls.
I know, you just do it with speed.
Exotic gym.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna need to keep striking.
We're just gonna go messenger.
Yeah, if we're gonna go messenger for messenger, I'm going to lose. I like it. I'm going to lose. Time for my flat 7. There's still a chance. That was a GB4 hybrid. That ball's money.
This is a reality.
Reality number 2.
Reality number 2 with chalk.
Yeah.
Probably gonna do the exact same thing.
Quanch. Just doesn't stand a chance.
I said 250 is gonna win. Problem is, I don't have 250 left. Deviate, captivate. This one doesn't hook so much, so this is the first time in this video I'm gonna move. All right, I'm gonna move my feet a little bit. That's right. We're still here. We're still here.
Then I got the house shot killer.
Now you got the house shot killer. I hope this is the one that missed. What do you need?
Mark. This is the eternity.
No, Mark gets you 230. You need a strike.
I need the first one.
You need a strike.
Haven't thrown this one since Nationals.
Sorry,
Unreal.
I dropped it.
This guy.
Don't make me hit the re-rack button while you're up there.
Go ahead.
Halfway down the lane, I'm hitting the re-rack button if it looks good. I'll destroy the rig for this. Money! Oh my God, there's a chance.
I get all the breaks.
I haven't gotten one break in this entire video. I haven't. I have 0 breaks so far. You got 238. I need a double here.
He needs a double still.
I need a double. I'm sweating. If you get 4 here, then I'm set. I've thrown this at North Rock. Kinetic black ice.
You're good at a lot of things.
Naming the bowling balls is not.
Gluing grips.
I glued them in the right way.
Sticking up halfway up.
I glued them in the right way. I just didn't come down. So it's illegal. I think I'm gonna stay in that same spot that I threw the other ones because I don't think this one hooks a lot either. I think it's a pretty weak ball.
Needs it.
I need one more.
That's big. What a huge shot from the kid.
Need to pat down the arms and sweating. Strike to claim it.
You nervous?
I told you, I'm literally sweating. Ah!
Yes!
That's what you get for throwing good shots. That's what you get.
W.
Unbelievable.
Fuck.
Stay tuned. Backup ball video loading. Maybe I'll win that one.
I don't know. I saw his fill shot.
Yeah. If I had to pick one of these, probably the knockout black blue. That's like my favorite. A little smoother, a little weaker, but still a little sharp enough down lane to kick out the 7 and like bowl all 3 games with it.
I'd probably throw the exotic gem because it hooks the most, but feel any of these balls are pretty good on house. So.
Yeah, they're all good when you throw it 30.
Yeah, they all kind of do the same thing.
Well, guys, thanks for sticking along. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. A little 232 to 239 action. Catch us a couple days from now for a backup ball video. And if you're still sticking along right now, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button, and you guys can follow along for more fun videos like this, or maybe even become a member for some more behind the scenes exclusive videos just for you guys. So stick along, and don't forget, he's also got a channel of his own, Barnesy Bowling. Just
Barnesy Bowling.
Barnesy Bowling. So follow along for his channel. He's got some cool stuff on there too. So we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.